Hello, everybody. Welcome to Just in Time, where we're going to talk about the crypto market in this episode today and a little bit about XRP, ADA, Elemental P, QRA, XTUV, all them little acronyms that you may not know about. But I'm going to educate you just a little bit on what I know about it and what's going on in the market so that you can make a good decision. I want to let you guys know that I am not your financial advisor. The information that I'm giving you is just that information for you to apply that to your life so that you can make better financial decisions so that you can hopefully be a millionaire. Everybody clap your hands. So let's talk about XRP. That's what everybody wants to talk about. So I got my little trusted iPad. Y'all bear with me just a little bit. As you can see, I have this article talking about XRP, the price analysis, bear and bull. Those are the two words that you want to put in your brain. Bear, they call it a bear market, which means that people are selling, people are not believing, they're phasing out of the situation. It's not as active as it once was or what it once was thought. Bull is, hey, let's get in it. That's what we were in from November until Trump got in office. Everybody say Trump. He said he's making America great again. So let's see what this looks like. Because he turned on them darn tariffs, which is supposed to be a great thing. It's going to be a great thing. But it's affecting the stock market and all the markets across the world, okay? Which is a good thing. Because I told you guys from the start, this is not something that you're going to get rich overnight. This is investing. So put money aside that you're not going to need later on, that you can lose if you need to, or that it's just like this, buying this cup, you buy the cup, you get your use out of it, throw it away. So get your shares and forget about them, okay? That's what you need to be doing. And you need to be buying in on the dip. When you see red, that's what Jesus said. So that means you need to go ahead and buy, okay? Don't get black because you're going to be attacked with the dips, okay? Not black, I meant green. Don't do the green. Don't buy in the green. Green is a good thing, but red is when you want to buy in, okay? I'm going to show you some of those things as well. As we're reading this article, I've talked enough. You probably read that first paragraph. Currently, as of right now, XRP is between $2.40 to $2.50, and it has teeter-tottered back and forth from that, pretty much most of today. Before they did an announcement earlier today or yesterday, the cars or something did an announcement, and then it just there's just so much resistance going on right now with the market, because what's happening is people like you and I, you and I, we are the people that make the world go round, the middle class, the ones that make anywhere between $50,000 to $200,000 is what's classified the middle class, okay? Honestly, they're trying to get rid of us. So we're the reason why this market is looking this way. Why? Because we're paying attention. And we're paying too much attention, and we're overthinking the situation. Again, Bitcoin, look at Bitcoin. When Bitcoin first started, it didn't start gaining its momentum. And when it started gaining its momentum, that sucker started soaring. Within 5 years, it was up to $5,000 a coin, okay? Within 5 years. Now look at it. It's went over 100,000 multiple times, and it's projected to continue to do that because, guys, they made an announcement today that XRP is here to stay, okay? So, but it's just going to take longer, like I've told you guys. We're looking at 6 to 12 months, and this thing could be up to $50 a coin minimum, okay? No joke. So as you can see, XRP, the 1 hour chart reveals a challenge in sustaining upward progression, okay? This is the chart down here. As you can see, it's the red. You see how it peaked earlier today around, and I'm going to show you a chart here in a minute. But earlier today at 7:15, before the markets opened up, we were at $2.56 at 7:20. And when the markets opened up at 9:30, it started dropping. At 10:30, That's when we went below 250, and we've been below 250 since 10:30 today. Okay. Again, guys, this is not the time to sell. Okay. This is the time to just wait it out or buy more. Buy in on the dip. Now is the time to buy. If you want to buy more XRP, now is the time. I would go ahead and do it. If it was me, I have acquired more in this situation. Okay, I've acquired more of all of them. I just sprinkled it across the board. Get you a couple of dollars and sprinkle it across the board. Okay. If you didn't go out to eat, sacrifice, because for us to go out to eat one meal is $120 to sit down and eat. If you sacrifice one of those, sprinkle that $100 over all your little crypto every week. And I promise you, you will see a return on your investment. Okay. Because, guys, this is called investing. Touch two people and say investing. Okay. Does anybody know what investing is? Do you know what investing is? Taking money and making it grow. XRP has yet to reclaim its key resistance. That's what it's saying. Also, it says on the daily chart, XRP encountered a sharp rejection at 340, triggering a notable drop. So it's been pretty much almost $1 drop since this time last month. All gains, we've lost them all. Okay. Again, that's not for you to be shocked about. Okay. This is what it does. Okay. However, if you're doing it correctly, you're buying in on these dips so that you're not losing per se, you're gaining as it's going up and down. Okay. Because if you buy in on the peak, say for instance, XRP was at 256 earlier today and you bought then. Now it's at 240. You've lost 16 cents per share. Okay. So when it's red, that's when you want to buy. Now at 240, you buy because it was already at 256. So it's not going to have a problem. It shouldn't have a problem going back up to 256 without a problem. That's 16 cents. So in a nutshell, if you have 100 shares, that's $1. Okay. That's on any of them. 100 shares, not $100, 100 shares. So since XRP is $2.41 now, that's $241. Okay. You have ADA. ADA is currently right now at 74 cents, almost 75 cents a share. That's going to cost you $75 for 100 shares. Okay. So 100 shares is $1. So for every penny that thing goes up, so if XRP goes up or when, not if, it's going up. When XRP goes back up, every penny you get $1. Okay. Just saying. So everybody right now, look and see how many shares you got in your portfolio. Not how much dollars you have, how many shares you have. So if you have, say for instance, we just keep it simple, 100 shares in XRP, that's $1. So when it goes up to 256 again, that's going to be $16 that you just gained for buying $241. So your 241 would now be $257 when it gets back up to 256. Now, when it gets back up to where it was earlier, it was up to 340 at one time. Okay, that's a whole dollar. So that's going to be $10. Okay. 10, is that right? $1 per share. That'd be 100. I'm sorry. That's $100. Okay. That's 1 times 100 is 100. Okay. So you can easily gain $100 in this situation on $100. So you can double your money essentially in this situation. I'm just saying, guys, that's how powerful XRP is. The other ones you will make money on, but XRP is projected to be the next Bitcoin. Okay, no joke, guys. Let me get back in. Let's see what we got. The bull verdict. Despite short-term, so bull, again, I told you, bull and bear. Let's talk about bear. Bear is, they're saying it's over with, okay? The bear verdict. XRP remains under strong selling pressure. It's been doing that since Trump announced these tariffs. Now you go look and see when he started announcing them, what happened to the market, okay? It just happened because people like us are uncertain about the economy. But there's another word that you need to learn. Whales. Whales, okay? Those are the millionaires. guess what they're doing, guys? They're laughing at us. Look at them dummies. They're putting all their money in here and selling. They buying in on the green and selling on the red. They losing hundreds and thousands of dollars at a time. And then you see, oh, it's going back up. So you buy back in on the green. And then it dips again, and you're losing. Stop doing that. Don't sell on the dip. Okay? Stop doing that. I've told you guys, if you're following me, I'll let you know when it's time to sell. Okay? We may lose, but we're not gonna lose at all. You know, like if I knew, hey guys, it's time to sell out. Look, yeah, let's cut our losses. But if we don't, you're gonna lose more. That's how I'm gonna be. So don't be selling if you follow me, because I hate to have to tell you, I told you so. I'm just saying. But I'm just gonna do my best. Do my best. So the bear market, you can read. You know, hopefully you can read. It says remains under strong selling pressure with multiple moving average signals for a further downside. Failure to hold above 250 and repeat rejections near 270 indicates a bearish momentum is still dominant. Okay. If support at 240 fails, the next downside targets could be significantly lower. I've heard as low as $2. Okay. Being honest. Now, bull. Despite short-term bearish pressure, XRP strong support at 242. It's literally been at $2.40. It dipped down to 236 for less than a minute. Okay. So it's strong at 240, 250. Okay. So this is kind of like the new norm for XRP. So it's telling you the buying interest is key long term. There's the word, long term. Moving average suggests the potential for a rebound. If the price holds above 240 and reclaims the $273 range, the bullish momentum will return. Not could, it will return. A sustained movement above 340 will confirm a renewed uptrend. Guys, buy in on the dip. There's a dip in the crib. Hey, hashtag, there's a dip in the crib. So you want to buy in. Like I said, guys, please don't be putting your life savings and all that stuff in here. Nobody's telling you to do that. Only thing I'm telling you to do is do what is good for you. What's your good ain't my good, okay? So do what's good and comfortable for you. If you can handle it, roll with it. $100, roll with it. $1,000, roll with it. 10,000, roll with it, okay? But don't do nothing that's going to put you in a financial constraint where you're going to lose your house, car, land, and everything else. That's not what I'm telling you to do, okay? But I am telling you, let's be mindful of our spending and be mindful of our investing, and let's make some better decisions in 2025 so that we are making movements towards generational wealth and long-term investing instead of this wham, bam, thank you, ma'am, I just made a few dollars or lost quite a bit and now I don't know what to do, okay? So I'm going to show you ADA, okay? See if it'll let me bring it up. Okay, see, ADA currently is at 74 cents. See, look at the trend, okay? I was going to show you the trend. So basically, let's show you XRP first. And then, okay, XRP, okay? XRP currently, like I said today, move out the way, tap the display, okay? Was at $2.56 earlier. Look, now we're at $2.41, 15 cents. So basically, like I said, you've lost $15 if you have 100 shares today, in a nutshell. So for every 100 shares, you're losing $15, basically. Okay, so, but as you saw yesterday, okay, look what it did. It dipped all the way down on February the 2nd to $2.09. Man, if you didn't buy in on that dip. Oh, wow. Look how much money you would have made. Okay, literally. That's 209 to 241. That's 31 cents. So basically, if you have 100 shares, that's $31 that you would have made, okay? For every 100, 31 bucks. So anytime you see that dip like that, especially that low, you might want to go. Dip that low, go. Yeah, you see? Because what did it do? Rebounded, okay? That lets you know that XRP has life, because had it dipped that low and it didn't rebound, then we would be in trouble. Okay, so there's major hope. That's what I'm saying. The whales are talking. The whales are like, ha, 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 ha. We're taking all their money and we're about to be rich. Because they're literally, I'm going to have to show you on the next episode the charts where it shows the whales are, I mean, ours are doing this, but they're just gradually buying in. Just gradually buying in. Because what they're waiting on is to see how low it's going to go. Then they're really going to buy it in. Okay. So that's why it rebounded at 209. Look how long it stayed down there. At 8 p.m. and then at 9 p.m. within an hour, it had jumped almost 9 cents in an hour. 2 hours, it was up by 12 cents. By 1 o'clock, 4 hours, it was already back up 20-something cents. Okay. So that's how this thing is doing. Okay. Look what it did over a month. Okay. Over the past month, XRP has only gained 0.77% in the past month. So basically right now, if you have any money XRP, you're on average should see a growth or around 0.79% or 1% right now. But you see, look at how it's done. It started here, and that was January the 11th at $2.56. So literally a month ago, we were here. Okay, we were here a month ago. Look what it did over a month. It peaked up to $3.30. Really, it went to $3.39, but it was so fast and it dropped. Okay, so if it goes back up to $3.29, am I spitting here? $3.29. That's roughly 87 cents, 88 cents. Okay, so right now, if you have 100 shares, that's $88 right now. Okay, so if we add more to that, for every 100 shares, not $100, every 100 shares, that's 88. So if you have 200 shares, that's going to be 176. And it just keeps compounding, adding and adding and adding and adding and adding. So in theory, hey, if you can get 500 shares, that's going to be roughly about $1,000. No joke. You can make about $500 in this next pop, just like that. And then when it gets back up to $3.29, you can pull that $500 out if you want to, or you can leave it in there. That's why I'm telling people this is investing. So this can happen for you young people, with no children, no responsibility. If y'all really get into this, by time, I promise you, within 5 to 10 years, you won't have to work another day in your life. Okay? If you learn the system and you learn how to invest your money instead of blowing your money. Okay? Stop blowing your money. Invest your money. When you see an item like this nice cup, a special edition, don't just see the first one and buy it. Do your research. Find out where you can find it at the best price. Check Just in Time. Check us out. We probably got the best price. But if we don't have it, then you do your research. Okay? Or you can call us up. I'll be your personal shopper. I can find it for you. Or I can find it and sell it to you at a great price. But always try to stretch your dollar out as far as you can go. Amen. Okay? So, what else I want to say? I'm going to show you... That's going to show you out of this. So, let me go here. One more thing, and then I'm going to let you guys go on about your good little day. Right now, it's at 4:30. It's trading at $2.42. We are, as you can see, we are $2.45. Let me see. Where did that go? We are 4.51% down today on XRP. Okay. Yesterday we had a rebound. It went up 20%. Okay. So that's what it's going to do over the next couple of days. Okay. But guys, don't sell yet. Okay. Promise you, I'll do my best to tell you. So far I've been doing good, giving you information. I ain't told you guys to get scared. I ain't told you guys to sell out. I've told you to buy in the dip. Okay. There's no need to keep talking about something that's going to happen. That's just how I am. Okay. So I don't see the need to talk about it all day, every day. But I am trying to at least once, twice a week give you an update. Yes, I'm still in it. Yes, I'm still believing in it. So if you need an investment opportunity, here you go. Here you go. Get you some XRP. Um, Trying to see look load up below $3. XRP investors are back. Get in. They say get in on the dip before it rips. Okay, that's what they're saying. Ethereum, Solana, which is which acronym is that? SOL. That's another one. XRP likely forming reversals according to the crypto analysis. So they're getting ready for it. Trying to say. Let me look at one more thing. Somebody has said something about XLM. Here's XLM. So we got XLM. Look, 33 cents a share. Get in on it. Okay. Get in on it. Look at that. Year to date, 3% decline. The max that it was this in the past year was 49 cents, and that was January the 17th. So it's a 16-cent decline. Okay. And that's why I'm saying when you're dealing with ones that's under a dollar, you're dealing with pennies. Okay. So you're not losing a whole lot of money in this situation, but oh boy, a whole lot of potential. A whole lot of potential. Because think about this one. 100 shares of this is only $33. Okay. $33 can get you 100 shares. And every time that sucker goes up a penny, you're getting a dollar. Okay. So just think you got a 16% minimum growth potential on this situation. 100 shares, $33. $33 and $16 for every dollar. Okay. So buy 500 shares. That's going to cost you about 150, 60 bucks. Okay. So guess what? 5 times 16, that's $90. That's how this game works. Okay. They want us to hate math. That's why they told us algebra, geometry, and all that bull crap. 1 + 1 = 2. 1 + 1 = 2. Okay. Always remember that. Math is simple. Let's not get scared of it, because if we don't learn it and know it, we miss out on opportunities. This is an opportunity that you guys can miss out on. Okay. No joke. Let me see another one. Let me do ADA. ADA is showing. Let me see if it's going to do that. There we go. It's at 74 cents. Okay. At its peak this year, it was $1, I want to say. Yeah. Trying to do this technology stuff. There we go. $1.13. That's almost 30 cents. Okay. 75. That's $74 for 100 shares right now. That you can get 30 cents for every for every penny. You can get $30. Not $30, I'm sorry. You can get $1 for every penny for 100 shares. You have a 30-cent margin growth minimum. So 30 times 1 is $30. So you can easily, on 100 shares, make $30. Why not go ahead and get 500 shares? Okay. At that point, it's costing you maybe $3.50. Right? Maybe $3.50, something like that. But you're going to make $150 on $3.50. So now you got $500. Wow. That's how this game rolls. Okay. It's called investing, making your money grow for you, not putting it in a savings account where you're getting pennies on the dollar, but where you can get double, triple, quadruple your money if you do it right. Okay. If you have any questions or concerns, you can DM me, or you can reach out to us here at Just in Time at 888-505-8963, or you can check us out on all of our social media outlets, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. I think I have an Instagram too, or on our website at www.just-intymmeservices.com. Just in Time, where we strive to provide an experience. We'll see you soon.